All right, folk. So I woke up this morning, just opened the doors. I ain't even got the sleep out of my eyes or coffee yet. Let me spin you around. What's up, bud? Hold on. Yes, I know. You want food? Oh, I'm coming. Oh, already got this guy waiting. All right, I'm coming. Here you go. You ready? You ready? All right, here you go, bub. Freaking guy. And alrighty, folk. So we had a eye round steak and a flank steak. So I just cut them up into a couple of steaks. Got another couple of steaks over here. Did the flank steak. I just made 2 big steaks out of that. So I'm gonna slat them in the cooler for now. See if Tito could take them up and freeze them for me, and then I'll put them back in the cooler after that as well. But a few steaks for me and Butchie. All right, folks, so there's skunk number 1 right there, and I doubt you'll be able to see it right now. Maybe you can see the stuff moving, but you got skunk. Oh, there he is, skunk number 2 right over there, scurrying around. And I do believe there's a number 3 little baby one, but I'm not quite sure. So we got the skunks hanging out. Well, all right, folks. The other steaks I cut up are still looking pretty good. These one look like we got to hurry up and cook them. So we're going to cook these bad boys. And we are throwing on some Cajun two-step. Woo, that fire right there. We're going to get this cooked up and check it out later, folks. Yeah, all right, folks. So we got that cooking. Decided we could use some bacon with that too today. Well, all right, folks. So we got the steak. We got some bacon cooked up. Decided I'm going to make myself a steak and bacon grinder with it. And I have to take some of the steak. I'm going to wash off the seasoning a bit so I can give a piece to Butchie. But I don't want that seasoning on there for him. But, yep, going to get some mayo and get ready to chow this down, folks. Well, all right, folks. So some more Boondock cooking here. We got breakfast for the morning. We did some eggs. We got some awesome biscuits here. Made some bacon. And we got bacon, cheese, and egg on a biscuit. And, of course, Butchie's getting his bacon and egg, too. Well, good morning, folks. Just starting the morning off with old Butchie out here laying down and enjoying the sun. And we're probably going to be taking off this afternoon and headed towards Betts Park. And Eddie's going to be down there, and I'm bringing some of my meats. Have a little cookout. I want to cook up a bunch of my meats. I've gotten some meats, and I don't want them to go bad, so I'm going to cook them all up because my ice is melting. So anyways, we're just chilling out, drinking some coffee, hanging out, and try and get caught up on a few videos, and then we're heading out to the park. And hopefully today I've got the collar and it's charged, and I can try and work with Butchie on taking the leash off and keeping him close to me while he walks. That's one of the things I want to work on with him. So we'll catch you folk later. So alright, folk, well, it looks like we got a whole bunch of Boondock cooking on this video. So we got some bacon again. Got those good rolls. We got the bacon. I got jalapeno cheddar cheese on there now with some good mayo. So this oh no, not it's jalapeno Monterey Jack. And of course, hey Butchie, you want your piece? Come here. We dip it, boy. There you go. There's your bacon. Good piece for you, bud. Oh, alrighty, folk. We are now at Betts Park. Got the old Butchmeister here enjoying his ride there. And we're going to go all the way up to where Eddie is. Eddie and his old lady are up there, and I believe they're getting the grill ready, cleaning it up and everything. So we'll be getting up there. And they got the fountain going in the park now here at the Betts Park. All the trees are starting to bloom, and it's looking freaking awesome out here. Here's the big old Huey. Pretty awesome. So let's go get some chow, folks. And all right, folks. So we got Eddie doing the fried dough. Boom. There we go.
Sizzle.
There you go. You ain't got to go to the fair for no fried dough. You got it right here, brother.
Yep. Best believe.
All right, we got Eddie's old lady over here chilling, already doing her fried dough. What you got? Garlic butter? We got fried dough with garlic butter. They got some meats going over here, some sausages, and I'm about to get mine going, so none of that goes bad. And of course, you're all gonna want to see him. Here he is. It's the Butch guy. Hey, you. I am going to bring him closer to us and everything. It's just over there by that table. I was going to put him by that table, but there's a big chunk of like nasty fat stuff over there, so I got to clean that up first because I don't want him eating it. So be right back with you, folk. So all right, folk. Well, here's the spot where we're having the cookout today. Everybody down there, and old Butchie boy looking up there. When you coming back? I forgot the hot dogs, so I had to go on over there to the Jolly Roger and grab them real quick. But we got steak, we got burgers, and I'm going to cook up some dogs. All right, folk. So, all right, folk. Boom. Eddie and his old lady are taking off. Whoop, we gave them a little, we got some hot dogs, hamburgers, some steak there. So, send them off with that. And we just chilled, heard some good tunes, and catch you guys later.
Later,
Have
folk.
a good and later, folk. Well, all right, folk. I was going to work with Butchie today out here in the field over here, but they got their vehicle over here, and there's the picnic table and everything over there. But so I am not going to be able to take him over there because somebody's over there. There's a couple other people going over there. But anyways, had an awesome time with freaking Eddie and his old lady. Listened to some good tunes, made some good food, hung out, and we're gonna head back. Me and where is he? Hey, you, the Butchie Meister. And we're gonna head on back to our stopping grounds and see if we got our spot to park. And probably just gonna eat some food and chill. So get back with you there. Well, we got Brother Crow hanging out, and I threw a couple of nice chunks of bread down for him. I always try to look out for them because, believe it or not, they have an extremely good memory. They remember when you were good to them. They remember when you were bad to them and everything. They have like a intelligence of like a 5-year-old child, pretty much. So they're pretty gosh dang smart. Them and the Ravens. So I always try to be good to them. You never know, might have your back someday. Well, all right, folk. I think we're going to finish this video up. It was one heck of a good day today. I had a very good time with Eddie and his old lady. Didn't get to do as much with Butchie as I wanted to. I mean, it is the weekend. People are out there, so what are you going to do, you know? But going to end it off with this. Look at this nice plate of food. We got green beans, mac and cheese, rice and beans, barbecue chicken, cornbread, and I got this little piece of lemon cake over here for dessert. So we are having a good dang dinner tonight. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a really cool day today. I'm glad we got the heck off the north end for a while. Really need it. And honestly, I can't wait to get the heck out here to go see my kids. I need some good positive energy. So anyways, we're going to call it a night. So till next time, don't forget, always work to the next adventure. The vlog is down.